Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na to, DOM XSS in document.write sync using source location.search inside a select element. So basahin natin, this lab contains a DOM-based cross-site scripting vulnerability in the stock checker functionality. So it uses JavaScript document.write function which writes data out to the page. Okay, so the document.write function is called with data from location.search, which you can control using the website URL. The data is enclosed within a select element, and to solve the lab, perform a cross-site scripting that calls alert. No? So meron tayong select element, and probably kailangan natin dito na mag-break out, no, sa select element. So access natin yung lab, and hanapin natin dito kung nasaan yung cross-site scripting. So, pindot-pindot tayo. Pili tayo isa. Then, tignan natin kung anong meron dito. Let's say, check stock. Okay. So, same thing. Tignan natin yung source, no? Kung ano ba yung nag-execute dito. So, ito. Ayan pala. Ito yung script natin, no? So, explain natin yung script. Essentially, so meron kang array dito of stores, and for the variable store, kinukuha niya yung URL na location.search store ID. So meron tayong kailangan na store ID na parameter. Tapos din document.write niya yung store ID. So kung ano man yung nakuha niya dito sa store ID, papasa niya sa select name store ID. So testingin natin tong store ID na to, no? So balik tayo rito. Lagay tayo store ID equals, let's say, JLearn page. So, zoom out ko lang ulit. So, missing parameter product ID. So, sige. Lagay tayo product ID. And then, lagay natin store ID equals JLearn page. So, ayan. Nandito yung ating JLearn page na store ID. Okay? So, tingnan natin sa source kung ano yung itsura nito. Click natin itong JLearn PH, and makikita natin na, ayan, nandito yung ating select. No? Select store ID, tapos yung selected natin is JLearn PH. Okay? So, ang kailangan natin gawin is mag-escape sa store ID, and then mag-escape sa select element, and then tsaka tayo mag-input ng ating XSS payload. No? So, escape natin yung store ID, lagdag tayo ng double quotes, and greater than symbol. Tapos, i-close natin yung select tag. And then, tsaka tayo maglagay ng ating XSS payload. So, for example, image stores X on error equals alert. And enter. So, ayan, nag-alert na tayo. And na-solve na natin yung challenge. So, for the sake of explanation, so, nag-escape tayo dun sa store ID. Then, nag-escape tayo sa select. And then, nag-execute yung ating payload na image source X on error alert. Okay? So, I hope na-gets nyo itong video na to, and see you in the next video.